Hello everyone! If you decided it's time to part ways with your Instagram account, whether for a break or a fresh start, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of permanently deleting your Instagram account. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account you wish to delete. Once on the home screen, head to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or username in the bottom menu. This action will take you directly to your Instagram profile. In your profile, click on Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, find and click on Account Center. Navigate to Personal Details within the Account Center. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Within Account Ownership and Control, find and click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on the Instagram account you want to delete. Once in the account details, locate and click Delete Account. Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select the appropriate option. Click Continue to proceed with the account deletion process. For security, enter your Instagram password. Press Continue to confirm your decision. If you want to permanently delete your account, click Delete Account. Remember, don't log back in within 30 days if you want the deletion to be permanent. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.